Why do 73% of short-term rental hosts have jaw-dropping stories? Let's find out. From heartwarming connections to jaw-dropping disasters, the world of short-term rentals is filled with tales as diverse as the travelers themselves. Let's dive into the most unforgettable stories from hosts on Llivo. Take the case of the mysterious briefcase. A host found a locked briefcase left behind by a guest. Hours of anxiety and wild theories later, it turned out to be full of collectible coins worth thousands. Crisis averted, but what a night. Then there's the unexpected party. Imagine renting to a solo traveler seeking peace, only to discover 50 uninvited guests and a live DJ setup. The cleanup bill? Over $2,000. Always vet your guests and insist on security deposits. And what about the guest who wouldn't leave? A two-night stay turned into weeks of excuses and unpaid rent. It took ages of legal wrangling to evict the professional squatter, a harsh reminder of the importance of strict checkout policies. But not all surprises are bad. One host welcomed an elderly man revisiting the city where he proposed to his late wife. His heartfelt stories and a vintage keychain left behind were touching reminders of the power of shared memories. Hosting short-term rentals is full of unexpected challenges and unforgettable moments. At Llivo, we believe in creating spaces that offer not just accommodations, but experiences guests will never forget. Subscribe for more unbelievable stories and list your property on Llivo.com today.